Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Brawl Stars on PC without Bluestacks. So for us to be able to proceed, you'll just have to head here onto your browser, and onto your browser, you'll just have to go ahead and try to search LD Player. Then right after, you should be able to see this icon in here. So click onto the first link that we have here so that you could go ahead and download LD Player. So simply click onto this one and it will automatically download onto your device. So I've downloaded this earlier, so I'll just gonna skip this step. Right after it is downloaded, head onto your downloads folder, and here just double click it and follow the installation prompts. So it is quite easy. You'll just have to go ahead and allow some of the things in there, and then once you're done with that, you should be able to see the same screen in here that it is downloading. So as you can see, you'll just have to wait for this one to be finished downloading. Now, this might take some time. Let's try to check first onto their website in here, onto their list of games if Brawl Stars is available. So just for a confirmation, let's head here under games. So there's actually a search bar here. Let's try the search bar, and then we'll try to search here Brawl Stars. And as you can see, Brawl Stars is available in here. So right after the installation for this one is complete, you should be able to go ahead and see the emulator interface. So it would be the same as just like this. There should be a search bar, and onto the search bar, you'll just have to type in Brawl Stars and download that. So after the installation, you'll just have to click on play, sign in with your Supercell ID or Google account if needed, and that's it. You're now playing Brawl Stars on your PC with no Bluestacks needed. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.